Unboxing the Nintendo Switch 2. Here's the Nintendo Switch system. Okay, here's the Nintendo Switch system. Here's the left and right Joy-Cons. And let's see what else is in the box. Here's the high-speed HDMI cable. Here's the Joy-Con 2 wrist straps. Let's see. Here's the power brick. Here's the cable for the power brick. See if I can get this out of here. Here's the Joy-Con 2 grip. And let's get this out of here. And this should be the dock. See if I can get it out of here. I have to use one hand, y'all. Can't use two as I'm recording the video. Here it is, the Nintendo Switch 2 dock. And that's it for the unboxing of the Nintendo Switch. Thanks for watching.